Attention beginners, this video is for you. Today we're going to be talking about how to create a channel for success in 2020 on YouTube. First and foremost, I want you to know that everything that I say in this video, I'm saying to myself as well. Because I'm going to be harsh, I'm going to seem very critical, and I'm going to seem a little bit heartless. But just know that everything I'm saying to you, I'm saying to me. That's why I made this channel. Gone are the days of uploading whatever the crap you wanted and thinking that it would stick on YouTube. No. If you want that, go on TikTok. Those days are still very much in existence on TikTok. You see 2013 YouTube? I want to make an entire video about 2013 YouTube. That was peak YouTube. You could have been anything you wanted to be back then. You could have had not all the interests, but a lot of different interests, and your audience was interested. 2020, hell no. That's not how it works. I must preface this video by stating that this is not a video that's going to teach you how to upload, how to use tags, what to put in your descriptions. I care about the mindset and the mentality of creators because I think that that is the foundation of your success on this platform. And I know that that was what was holding me back and what inspired me to start this YouTube channel, honestly. What I want to encourage, what I'm here for, is to try to get you to think intelligently about what you want to create on this platform before you even do it, so that you don't end up wasting years of your life like what I did. I started off on YouTube with reactions to Pretty Little Liars, then reactions to music, then trying to become a music pop star. It flopped. It flopped because it had to, because it was confusing and my audience did not care. So the point that I want to get to is that I want to ask you 3 simple questions. And the purpose of these questions is for you to do a self-assessment of your mental fortitude. Question number 1. Why are you really starting a YouTube channel? I just want to share who I am with the world, and you know, I just have fun. I just like have fun recording videos. That's not good enough. Most people who are going to watch this video do not just want to post videos for fun, for memories. Most people who are going to watch this video want to post videos for a potential career, a potential business based off of their YouTube. People want a business. People want to escape the 9-to-5. People want some extra money. Even if they don't want to make it their main source of income, they want it to be a good side source of income. Are you here to make a business? Or are you here because you want to have fun and you want to express yourself? If you want to have fun and express yourself, then you already answered question number 1. You do not need to watch the rest of this video because what I'm going to say doesn't really apply to you. However, to the people who have answered the question and believe that they're here for the long term to create a business, I have to ask you another question. So question number 2. Are you willing to do content that is not perfectly aligned with your dreams or with your dream business? Are you prepared to do that? This is crucial. If you are not prepared to adjust what you want to do in order to get to where you want to go, you're not going to get anywhere. I think that a lot of times people just want to do what they want to do, and that's that. Beginner YouTubers look towards big YouTubers as idols, and because that's who you see, so of course you want to make content like them. That's the only thing that makes sense. But these people have been doing this for a significant amount of time, and they are personalities. They are internet personalities. Internet personalities can do very different things to beginners. Internet personalities can title their videos differently. Internet personalities can take different kinds of thumbnails. Internet personalities can interact with their fan communities in different ways. Less, actually. The main point of this question, though, is are you willing to do stuff that are not perfectly aligned with what you dreamt of doing? Because YouTube is a long game. Essentially, you are trying to work towards the most ideal version of the content you want to make. I'm not saying that you're never going to make exactly what you want. Actually, I'm saying that. Actually, I'm saying that. That is what I'm saying. Because YouTube is an agreement between you and an audience. It's not just me making whatever I want. Nobody on this platform, no celebrity, nobody gets to do exactly what they want to do, because you're doing something for an audience. When you're doing something for an audience, you have to consider them. You have to consider their wants, because they have to watch you in order for you to get paid. The purpose of this question is to figure out how much are you willing to sacrifice? How much are you willing to give up? I think that entertainment-based channels, it's kind of muddy, it's kind of murky. You don't know exactly what to do. So if you want to make entertaining content, if you want to be a singer, how many covers are you ready to do? Because nobody knows your original music, sweetie. So you have to do a bunch of covers. And are you willing for those covers to get demonetized? I have experience with this. Are you willing for them to get copyright strikes and then YouTube does? There's something happens in the algorithm when you get the copyright strikes. I believe that. Or as a musician, are you ready to spend time remaking people's songs, music by blanks? Are you willing to teach people how to play the bass and then try to sneak in your album in there? And if you just want to entertain people through your humor, are you willing to do pop culture things to get people to watch your more niche video? If you want to do vlogs, just talking about your life and talking about how it is to be you, you have to give a version of yourself first. You have to be like, okay, I'm a college student, I am a mother, I am a vegan. Even though you want to share other parts of your life, you have to pick something to get there. You can't make internet personality content without being a niche YouTuber first. If you think that that is too much of a sacrifice, if you don't want to get stuck in a box and feeling like you can't really be yourself and there's no creativity in your content because you just have to be this one thing, you may run into problems later on because you may post all over the place content and alienate whoever subscribed. At the very least, give yourself a time. This is a new YouTube channel and I have given myself 8 weeks to build this up and see if I actually like it, because I'm trying to be a pop star and that's on, period. Oh my gosh, I literally just did question 3. How long are you willing to do that for? How long are you willing to wait to be able to make just exactly what you want to make? I'm giving this 8 weeks to see how I feel and where this goes. After those 8 weeks, we're back on that music grind, honestly, in terms of 100% trying again for a music channel, hopefully implementing the strategies that I plan to talk about on this channel. But if I end up really liking it, I'll keep it and I'll continue until I run out of stuff to say. I want you to sit down with these questions for like a week, 5 to 7 days, and really ask yourself and do the research, because I believe that YouTube in the beginning, for people who want to turn it into a business fairly quickly, you have to analyze yourself, know what's popular in the market, and go based on that. Don't just go based on how you feel. I know that it's beautiful to say make whatever you want, do whatever you want, but no, because I know in the long term that doesn't feel good. It doesn't feel good getting 10 views. It doesn't. On a video you worked really hard for, and the reason you're getting 10 views is because you're unwilling to adjust and you're unwilling to change your mindset. And I feel like a lot of people may disagree with me and may say follow your passion from the beginning. I disagree. I don't want anyone else to waste their time like how I wasted years of my life on this platform because I didn't ask myself these questions deeply enough. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that I gave you something to think about. This is a video series. This is the next video in this series right here. Check it out, okay? I want you all to become better YouTubers. I want you all to become more intelligent YouTubers. So check out this video. I'll see you in that upload. Bye!